What we have here is a cab flavor machine or a frozen beverage dispenser. I'm going to show you how to take it apart. We take out our pin that holds the handle. That comes out. The spigot pops out along with a spring. Take off the cap. We want to lift up the bowl. We press with our thumbs up and pull out. So we take out the whole bowl. We have our spiral auger here that comes out. What we want to do is we want to lubricate the inside rubber bushing every time we take it apart. Okay? So we use petrol gel and we lubricate it. We put it back in and we twirl it till it locks into position. We take our bowl, lifting up through the back so it can grab the rubber gasket in the back, and then we press down again. Locked into position. We lubricate the O-ring, grab our spring, put it on top of the spigot, push up where the hole is exposed for the handle, insert the handle, lock it in place with the pin, and that's the assembly of our bowl. Our cap goes on top. So what we want to do now is we want to make product. You can use any sort of product a manufacturer has, but you have to go by what the label says. This is a raspberry mix that's a 1+5 concentrate, which means we put 1 part syrup. So we'll fill this up to say 1 liter with our measuring cup. You must measure exactly to what the manufacturer states. You cannot put more water than it can because it'll overfreeze. So we pour it into a mixing bucket. That's 1 liter of syrup. Then we're going to add 5 liters of water. We must always mix in a mixing bucket before we put it into the bowl. Put our cap on. We'll show you the controls. We have 3 controls here. We have a light. We have our power on off. Turn it on. We have a middle switch, which is a 3-tier toggle. Up is for frozen beverage. Down is for cold beverage. In the middle is just overnight. And we must turn the machine in the middle position overnight. We cannot let it run for 24 hours. So it takes approximately 45 minutes for the product to get frozen. We'll come back to it in a while and we'll show you the finished product. And this is our finished product. That is the proper consistency. If we want to change the consistency of the product, there is a little fine consistency adjustment on the back of the machine, which is in this little, there's a little tab here. So we have a plus and a minus. Turn it a few turns and it'll make it thicker. Loosen it to the left, it'll make it thinner, less grittier. So that's your fine consistency. Just remember at nighttime to always put the machine to the middle position. Okay?